how to change email or phone number for your Apple ID account on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from Settings, we then tap on the Apple account at the top. Then tap on Sign In and Security. From here, tap on Add Email or Phone Number. Next, in here, if you want to add or change an email address, you can tap on Existing Email Address. And then add in an email address that you want to use. Next, tap on the Continue button. Okay, after that, Apple will send out a verified email. So you need to verify your new email address and put in the code. And from there, you should be able to change your email. Alternatively, you can also add in new iCloud email. So here you can set up or create a new iCloud email address. To change the phone number, just tap on the phone number down here. And then enter in the new phone number. And then just put in the phone number and then tap on the Continue button. And then after that, you need to confirm your phone number. And that is how you can change your email address and phone number for your Apple account ID. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.